Hey guys, it's Chelsea from Byrider out in Waukesha. It is finally about to be springtime, and here goes some tips to get your car ready for spring. First thing you want to do is check your windshield wipers. Make sure that they have enough rubber on them. That way in the spring storms coming, you'll be able to keep your window clear. Check your thread. Even though we're not going to have slippery snow, you can also have slip on the roads if it's raining. Next, you want to check your fluids. Make sure that you have enough windshield wiper fluids. Check your oil. And one of the pro tips is get a car wash and make sure that you get the underbody wash to get all the salt and snow stuck from underneath and around the tires. That way your body of the car does not rust. To get a great car for the springtime, come in and see us at Byrider Waukesha, where we have a great selection of vehicles and we'd love to get you driving today. Give us a call at 262-506-3131.